professional light. Quite shiny, huh? So I think I actually got what I consider to be sort of a professional light. It's light from Godox SL-60W. Oh. Actually, it's set at 38%. Bring it up. Whoa, do you see how bright it is? This light is provided thankfully by Pergear, which specializes in photography and videography parts, including lights and also real portable light. A lot of other interesting camera gears that you can see on their website. So today I'm not only going to talk about the professional light, but I'll also get onto some IKEA solution and also talk about some of these color LED lights. But first, let's talk about professional light.
Professional light.
It's rather strong, so I'm going to put this. And now it's slightly lessened. So at the back, there's a dial to actually increase. And actually they give you the remote control. And one thing I noticed, you can hear a very tiny fan. But I guess because it's such a powerful device, you will hear something, but of course at around this distance, it's hardly noticeable, especially when I'm talking, I can't hear it at all. And also in this $140 package, it comes with the cleaning kit, the cloth and also brush, and also these white gloves. That's why I'm wearing them. They're super handy, especially when I'm trying to touch a lot of things on the review. So I've already actually set it up, even with the honeycomb, because actually I realized the light is very bright. So this is what I've done. So there is TV, and it's actually sitting very, very sturdily, no problem. And the 140 package actually comes with these filters. These are sort of like thick cellophane, quite thin material, so you just need to handle with some delicacy. I just put the yellow filter and it gives quite a warm ambience. So it's blue light coming and it's sort of like cool feel. And basically what you need a stand to stick it here, put it on. But I actually don't have a stand. So for now, I've actually put as a temporary measure some opaque paper because otherwise it will be very bright. So this is the setup that I'm gonna have for now with SL-60W here.
IKEA.
So in my last video as well as this time round, what I have in both sides is actually IKEA lamp combined with Philips 13W LED light, which is actually giving out the color of cool daylight. The cheapest lamp stand from IKEA with the cover. I'm gonna keep the studio a little bit dark right now so I can sort of show off the color of this beautiful LED light. So these are smart lights and I've seen a lot of nanoleaf. They actually cost quite a lot, whereas these LED lights from Lifesmart is really costing a fraction of the amount. I think I ended up paying about $160 for the entire set with a little sort of light plastic stand and a USB cable, so I actually stuck it onto my power bank. Basically, these lights can be controlled by mobile phone. So all you need to do is press these two areas really hard for 7 seconds, and then it's supposed to now connect to my non-5G connection. And because apparently it doesn't connect to 5G. It's configuring. So right now my mobile phone, you know, can change the theme. This is Cocktail Parade. I don't know how much you can see. You can make it bright or dimmer or brighter. So basically I've been really happy, so I got myself another 3 light set. You can just connect as many as possible. I realize I need one more connector to connect this, but it's connected to USB. And because this is not connected all together, so the color is a little bit different. So I'll use the stand and hopefully it will stay. Actually, configuring is a little bit tiring, and then I'm actually thinking about putting it on the wall rather than the shelf at the side. Just imagine having an entire wall filled with these lights. So I think this is a very good alternative to nanoleaf. And the next light that I'm going to talk about is Xiaomi LED light. which also changes color and can be controlled with mobile phone. So this is another lamp that I have from IKEA. Right now it's set at green, you can see here. So it was very easy to configure, actually much easier than the Lifesmart LED bulb. And then they do have preset where you can go for like sunrise function, even sunset, and tea time, birthday party. It's just gonna change light, some movie night or Netflix night and dating night. You can also set the different tones of white, sort of warm light to cool light. And then you can also just choose color, different color in this color picker, and then you can also increase the intensity to like 100, then you see a lot more color. Let me go into like pink. It's really fast, you know, it's amazing that light bulb is just talking to my mobile phone. How amazing is that? And then also you can set 4 different color in terms of flow. That's what I tried doing last time around. If you are having some movie nights or Netflix night, then you can change the color to really set the nice mood for a romantic night. So far I'm very happy with all these alternative brands. But in the next review, I'm going to do a bit of outdoorsy kind of stuff. So stay tuned and like this video. See you!